Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentle. Here are today's top stories. Parliamentary Standing Committee to discuss Uniform Civil Code tomorrow informs Head of the Committee and BJP leader Sushil Modi. In a swift political development, NCP leader Ajit Pawar takes oath as Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. 9 party MLAs join the BJP cabinet. UDP to elect new office bearers on July 29th. UDP chief Meghalaya says party members will decide his future role. Indian tennis star Yuki Bhamri wins maiden ATP doubles title in Mallorca, Spain. The news in detail. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice will hold a meeting of the Uniform Civil Code tomorrow. Committee head and BJP Rajya Sabha member Sushil Modi informed that the panel will seek the views of the stakeholders on the matter. He added the meeting of the committee is non-political as the panel has members from all political parties. The UCC proposes to formulate and implement personal laws of citizens which apply to all equally regardless of their religion, sex, gender and sexual orientation. The Sabarmati riverfront has become the soul of social and cultural activities in Ahmedabad, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on Sunday as he virtually launched Akshar Cruise on the river that cuts through the city. Addressing a gathering through a video conference, Shah lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying when the latter was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he took many initiatives which helped in increasing the tourist footfall in the state. Nationalist Congress Party leader Ajit Pawar has taken oath as Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra in a move that has taken political watchers by surprise. The former leader of opposition of the Maharashtra Assembly has the support of 9 MLAs who have taken oath in cabinet ministers' positions. MLAs who are with Pawar are Dilip Walse Patel, Hassan Mushrif, Dharmarao Baba Atram, Aditi Sunil Tatkare, Sanjay Bansore, Anil Patel and Chagan Bhujpal. Pawar is the nephew of NCP head Sharad Pawar. He will reportedly share the post with Bharatiya Janata Party's Devendra Fadnavis. The United Democratic Party will elect new office bearers during the General Council meeting to be held on July 29th. Informing this, General Secretary of the party Jamino Mautho said that the tenure of the current body expired in 2022, but because of the pandemic and the assembly elections, the party had to postpone it. The decision was taken at the meeting of the party's Central Executive Committee held here on Friday. Meanwhile, the party is also set to nominate its new president during the General Council meeting, even as incumbent chief Meghalaya said that he was leaving it to the party to decide on whether he should continue to lead it.
That same process only is being followed.
Nomination committee members will suggest the names, okay? And then that will be proposed in the General Council. Again, it will come to the
General.
General.
Not an election, is that
Indirectly.
Do you think it will be fair and appropriate for me to do so? I leave it to the party to decide on that. I have nothing to say on that. I will not say any word on that because if I say that is as good as I'm asking favors from my friends who will be there.
The United Democratic Party will submit its suggestions to the Committee on the Reservation Policy and Roster System after a few days after necessary improvements have been made in its observations. Speaking to reporters after the party's Central Executive Committee, the party General Secretary Jamino Mautho said that they had sat several times with legal experts, scholars and party functionaries to get their views and suggestions to come up with a formula or suggestion that would be acceptable to all reserved categories in the state.
So accordingly, from the party UDP, we have also sat several times together with party functionaries, party leaders, and also some legal experts and also scholars from different walks of life to solicit their views and suggestions as to how to articulate and come up with a formula or a suggestion that will be acceptable to all the reserve categories in the state of Meghalaya, which will be non-discriminatory.
The Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Nagaland, marking a significant step towards providing accessible and high-quality education to the students of the state. IIM Shillong aims to create a positive impact and empower the youth of the Northeast. Temje Nimna Along, the Minister of Higher Education, Government of Nagaland, expressed his satisfaction with the collaborative efforts between IIM Shillong and the Government of Nagaland. Over to sports. In tennis, India's Yuki Bambri clinched his maiden title on the ATP World Tour, winning the doubles trophy at the Mallorca Championships with South African partner Lloyd Harris in Spain yesterday. The Indo-South African pair defeated the Dutch-Austrian combination of Robin Haas and Philip Oswald 6-3, 6-4 in the final of the grass court event, the last in the build-up to the Wimbledon Championships. And now for a look at the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity remained at 96% in both the morning and evening with rainfall measured at 28 millimeters. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a quick recap of today's top stories. Parliamentary Standing Committee to discuss Uniform Civil Code tomorrow, informs head of the committee and BJP leader Sushil Modi. In a swift political development, NCP leader Ajit Pawar takes oath as Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. 9 party MLAs join the BJP cabinet. UDP to elect new office bearers on July 29th. UDP Chief Medbat Lingdok says the party members will decide his future role. And Indian tennis star Yuki Bambri wins maiden ATP doubles title in Mallorca, Spain. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.